Hey guys, in today's video I'm just going to show you how you can update Capcut to the latest version. So in other words, let's start. So what first you want to do is you want to go to the section where Capcut is located. So in this case, you can, if you're on Windows, you can click the Windows button, the start button, and click C. Click C, and then it will be there with full. Now just click and then click. After a few seconds, depending on your computer speed, Capcut will either load or it'll take a few minutes. And now you want you in Capcut. You want to go by the settings tab, which is right there, and you want to say on the version, which is the settings tab is on the top right, and you say version. As you can see now, it's a 5.5.0 version. You want to click update. Once you click update, as you can see, new version 5.6.0 fix some known issues and improve the trimming experience. And all you want to do is you want to say install now, and then it's going to say downloading 5.6.0. Now depending on your computer speed, it will take a few seconds or it will maybe take a few minutes. Now I'm going to fast forward the video until the part where this is now done. As you can see, it is now finished, and this is how the new Capcut looks. Everything is nice, everything is okay. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and subscribe.